morning, sir. God bless you. Sorry, sir. Good morning, sir. God bless you. Sir, hold on. Sorry. Good morning, sir. God bless you. God bless you.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way.
Good morning, sir. God bless you.
Jesus.
Good morning, sir.
Jesus.
Good morning, sir.
God bless you.
5 years of madness.
Good afternoon, sir.
God bless you.
Good afternoon, sir. Good night, sir.
God bless you.
Hey!
Joy.
Yes, who is that?
Come, wait till the meaning of that rubbish where you web like say me how you dey talk for phone, you dey hang up call for my ear.
How much I hang up? Simply because I asked you for money to fill gas. You asking me that when you're not dating me, how was I filling my gas?
Yes, now go ask you. Now why I not go ask you? Just yesterday when me and you start to the date, you don't dey tell me say me I give money, me you take fee gas. I tell you fee your gas before when me and you never know. I mean, you know they fee the gas before. Now let me ask you. Relationship of just yesterday, today you don't tell me I fee gas. Who know what you go tell me I do tomorrow? Maybe tomorrow now I don't build gas for your papa.
Is that all you have to say?
Or I call it say one of your brother they go school.
Is that all you have to say? Abi? Okay, if it's like that you want to behave, me I'm not even interested in it. I don't
Who want date you again before?
want
Tell me this one. What do you think? I don't be date person like you. I want date liability. What make me come and call the polo when you come off my house yesterday?
Hey.
Go inside the army go bring my polo come.
polo.
Who want date you? I want date you again before.
You gotta trust man. Man,
They
hand
play
down.
now.
Because of polo. Take your polo.
Give my polo. Off fan. You go tell me that why they told you you be off fan. So now I know why they take care of you now. All they play some more bukele.
Fine girl. Fine skin.
Ma, excuse me, ma. Ma, excuse me. Ma, excuse me, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. Please, may I know you?
Ma, I won't come make inquiry.
Are you a student of this school?
Yes, ma, I'm a student.
Which department?
Chemistry department, ma.
So?
Ma, now the assignment where you give my classmates, I know the class when you give them. So now why I come say may you give me my own.
Go and take it from them and do it now.
Ma, no, the one where you give them, they're very hard. So I come, may you give me my own, we go dey simple for me.
Young man, are you alright?
Very healthy, ma.
I gave an assignment and you said it's difficult. If you cannot do it, it's an F for you.
Ma, no dey raise voice. No know that you know about that lecturer wey die last week. No be saying I me kill am, but na this kind behavior I been get. Wey make me go house go pray for am. 3 days fasting and prayer. You see the result. And you know, say get some of my boys where they around now as I'm talking to you. Some of them hold stick, hold knife and gun. And then they're ready to bitty, cutty and shooty.
My son, what's that your name again?
Ibekwe Chukwemeka.
Chukwemeka. Chemistry department?
Exactly, ma.
That's an A.
A?
Yes, my son.
Ma, what about the assignment?
Don't worry, you have submitted.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my son.
Ma, peace be unto you.
And unto you too, my son.
Life is simple.
Babe, I made this special for you. I have to go to Chinese restaurant and get all those kini something, and you will enjoy it. Yes.
Ni fa bi fenji we like ya gya. Ne mana ndem moda marwa. No makagawa kanji we si chinko we bata.
No, the love is too much.
Maka chineke na. Ya kando yibo ji we sia. Na love is blind ya. Love is blind ya. Ship to her. Maka ndo chinko nebuze meta ichi. Tuko ribe nya. Pupe ya. Oto.
You hold your spoon.
Kanji de ya.
Yes, you will.
Pupe ya.
Very special.
Pupe ya.
Hey, sit down. Delicious meal, oh.
This
Listen, I have to go to Chinese restaurant and shop the best. See this one, this one is a lizard. This is your meal, now. This is what they eat in China.
Gini kan na fueba. I wote ngwera. Nya wote jua. I wote bo chicha.
It's not sure that they eat in China now.
Yana kukumba.
Balance diet.
With taekwondo. Ni gagantia. Keife difa.
Baby, it's okay now. You shall.
Ni gagantia. Ife ndi ani na fuketa. Bu ife ndi neri na chinkwa. Oboro mbata na Nigeria. Nya bu na ni Igbo a. Mbekwa na eru difa. Ni gagantia. Ife njeri dikita. Bu ezigbo abwa.
Which one is aqua? Baby, this is not China. This is Nigeria. You cannot be eating aqua. You eat what you used to eat in China, so that your body will be fresh now.
Okay, bro, I won't play one song for you now. If you tell me the name of the artist where sing them, I will give you 4K now.
Alright, no problem. I did game now. The video now, Gigi.
The video, Abby. So this one now for 8K. If you get them, okay. If you tell me the name of the artist where sing this song, I will give you 8K. But if you fail them, you will give me back this 4K. You there ready?
I do hear you now. Yes, now.
God have mercy upon us.
It can take your money eventually.
Hello, excuse me.
Johnny said.
Babe, relax. Yes?
My name is Chinedu. I'm a straightforward guy. I like you and I want you to come with me.
Are you?
Babe, don't worry. I'll handle this. What do you take me for? Like, I don't get it. You just see someone on the road, stop them and start spilling nonsense. Are you okay?
Relax. I'll send you 8 million naira.
Don't be a foolish idiot.
I'm not even though. What's 8 million naira?
You know what?
I know me and my boyfriend are not there yet, but with time we are getting there. Babe, right?
Yo! Yo, they do that waka. They play. Baby boo.
You know what?
Where will I sit? I be my drive.